Alright guys, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be switching an outlet. As you can see, this is old school, just two-prong. I'm going to plug in that light to it. We're going to go turn off the power. We'll know it's turned off in here by having that light. So, let's get this. Oh, well, this is really dark. I wonder if that helps at all. Maybe, no? Alright guys, you can see, turned off the power. It's really dark in here. I'm going to take this faceplate off. Let that just fall to the ground. You can see there's a screw on the top and a screw on the bottom. I'm right-handed, so doing this with my left is a bit difficult. Oh, I'm going the wrong way now. Okay, pull this sucker out of the wall. Alright. You can see two black wires on one side, two white wires on the other side. That's exactly how we're going to put it onto this one. So, let's go ahead and crack this one open. This is so difficult. Okay, I need... Alright, got these all nice and loose. Let's go ahead and... So they like really securely put these on. I'm worried I'll never be able to repeat that, but we're gonna go ahead and line these back up, screw them in, and get going from there. Alright guys, we got it in, whites on both sides, blacks on whites on one side, blacks on the other side here. Good to make like a little loop with the copper, but you gotta be careful, you don't want to break it. And then just screw it in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and shove this thing back in the wall. I'm gonna need both hands for that, and then we'll go ahead and give it a test, and I'll show it when it's on. Alright guys, you can see the light's on, everything's working, no huge shocks, so we're good there. I'm going to go ahead and put the outlet cover on, and that's the end of this episode. So if you liked it, like and subscribe. It's a little weird, but go ahead and do it. I know this isn't an action-packed one, and you spent a lot of time in the dark, so that works. I just found a quarter. I guess the next episode I'll show you how to put on an electrical socket cover. So let's go ahead and jump out of this. I don't have an outro, mostly because I'm trying to get this done. Bye.